Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and here we are just done with a nice little pedestrian gate on this nice property here. Nice neighborhood in Santa Monica. They had a gate in here that was made out of wood, and the wood kind of gave up and broke. So the lady wanted something that doesn't require any maintenance. She didn't want to worry about it anymore. So this is the gate. This gate is made out of aluminum and it's all powder coated with a nice lock. Let's get close to it. I'm exactly in front of the sun, so trying to kind of work my way through somehow. Let me go to this side, it's shady. Here we go. So look how beautiful it is. Look at the lock and the handle. This lock can be locked on both sides. Nice hinges. Nice caps on the top of the 3-inch post attached to each one of the sides. And just a lovely, beautiful gate. So if you want something that doesn't require any maintenance, something that you put on and forgetting about it, this is the way to go. Something that's made out of aluminum, and we'll be more than happy to help. Our number is 1-800-562-5770. Thank you and have a great weekend.